Hey everyone, have you ever wondered where your family actually comes from? I've been so curious about my heritage lately, so I finally decided to try out this Ancestry DNA kit. Honestly, the whole process was incredibly straightforward. You just activate the kit online, provide a quick saliva sample, which is super easy to do, and drop it back in the mail using the prepaid package. Then, I just waited about 6 weeks for my results. When that email finally came through, it was so exciting to open. Let me break down exactly how simple that testing part really is, because I know that can sometimes seem intimidating. First, you just go to their website or use the app to register the unique barcode printed on your tube. This step is super important so they can securely link your sample to your account. After making sure you haven't eaten, drank, or chewed gum for 30 minutes, you literally just spit into the small plastic tube until it reaches the fill line. Next, you screw the special cap on, which releases a stabilizing fluid into the sample, give it a quick shake for a few seconds, and slide it into the provided biohazard bag. Finally, you just seal it up in the small prepaid return box they include and drop it in any standard USPS mailbox. There is absolutely no extra postage to buy or complicated packaging to figure out. What blew my mind is the level of detail. It breaks down your origins from over 3,600 places around the world. I really love the side view feature too, which actually shows which side of the family your matches come from. It's also just a fantastic gift idea, especially for the holidays or birthdays. I gave one to a family member recently, and it was a huge hit for someone in their 20s who was just starting to get interested in their roots. Plus, I really appreciate that you stay in full control of your privacy and decide exactly what data you want to share. Now, just a quick heads up, while the initial ethnicity results are super fun to explore, if you want to dive really deep into building a massive family tree or accessing historical records, you do need to set up a separate ongoing subscription. Also, depending on your specific background, some regions might give you slightly broader information than others. But honestly, for the sheer fun and experience of discovering my heritage, I thought it was completely worth it. If you want to know more about your family history, this is definitely a great place to start.